In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log someone out of your PS4 account. In order to do that procedure, first of all, log in into your account. Once logged in, head over to your settings application located right at the bottom. After you click on it, it's going to take you to the settings page, which is going to look something like this. Over here, you'll be able to find multiple options. Now go ahead and tap on account management. As you click on account management, then you'll be able to find login settings. So you'll have to go ahead and select login to PS4 automatically. Now you'll need to go ahead and select user management located right at the bottom. After that, you need to go ahead and select delete users. Once you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. Now go ahead and tap the delete button. After you click the delete button, the user saved data, screenshot and video clips will be deleted from the PS4, and also the PS4 will be deactivated as the user's primary PS4. In that way, you can delete or log someone out of PS4 account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.